So now would be a good time to pause this video and have you try one out here and see if you can write this in vertex form. So go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and see if we can work through this one. So very similar to the last one, you want to pull that 3 out, and if you have a hard time figuring out what that value is going to be when you pull the 3 out, think about dividing everything in there by 3 then. What are you left with? I'm left with x squared plus 7/3 x plus 2/3. So I'm just going to go ahead and move these to where they're more workable for us. So the goal here hasn't changed any. We're still trying to get in vertex form. We're still going to add b divided by 2 in here and subtract b divided by 2 over here. So let's do that. Our b divided by 2 squared, that's what we're going to add and that's what we're going to subtract. Or you can think about it as b times 1/2 and square it. And that's what we're going to do in this case because we've got a fraction. So my b value here is 7/3. So I'm going to take 7/3 times 1/2, square it and add it. I'm going to take 7/3 times 1/2, square it and subtract it from the previous term. All right, so now we're going to keep going. Got 3 times. Inside here, we're going to start to see if we can clean this up. So x squared plus 7/3 x. 7/3 times 1/2 there. Multiply your numerators. Multiply your denominators. Over here, same thing. Multiply your numerators. Multiply your denominators. So I'm going to go one step in here farther. Some of you don't need to do this, but I'll do this extra step in here. I can actually square that 7/6 there. It gives me 49/36. And so over here, doing the same thing, 49/36. So now I'm going to factor this in here, those first 3 terms here. I'm going to factor this right now. And then I'm going to combine those guys. So factoring this, we end up getting, what times what gives me x squared? X and x. What multiplies to give me 49/36 and adds to give me 7/3? Well, remember, we're thinking that that value is that right there before we squared that one. So we're thinking it's plus 7/6 plus 7/6. So 7/6 times 7/6 there does give me 49/36. Does 7/6 plus 7/6 there give me 7/3? Well, add your numerators together, write down your common denominator, reduce that down by 2, and you get 7/3. So it does indeed multiply to give you 49/36 and add to give you 7/3. So that works. Now let's come over here. Let's get a common denominator. Common denominator over here is going to be 36, so I need a 12 here. So really, I get 24/36 minus 49/36. So now cleaning this up a little bit more. X plus 7/6 there, there's 2 of those. And then combining those like terms over here, common denominator is 36. It's going to be a minus. So 24 minus 49 there is a negative 25. So that's why I'm saying minus 25, minus there. It's almost done. It's getting to be looking like what it's supposed to look like. So now I just have to distribute that 3 through to both of those terms inside those brackets. So distribute the 3 through. This 3 stays there. This 3, however, we got to clean that up. So with multiplication, you multiply your numerators, multiply your denominators. And then we just got to think about reducing that fraction there down. And if you notice, 75, 36, what number is going to go into both of those? The number that goes into both of those is 3. 3 goes into 75 there 25 times. 3 goes into 36 there 12 times. So now we have it in vertex form, that y equals a times parentheses x minus h squared plus k. So there it is in our vertex form.